Hi dear children, today we are going to discuss a JEE Advanced 2022 question from trigonometry, numerical integer value type question. Question is, let alpha and beta be real numbers such that minus pi by 4 less than beta less than 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4. If sin alpha plus beta 1 by 3 cos alpha minus beta 2 by 3. Then the greatest integer less than or equal to sin alpha by cos beta by sin alpha plus cos alpha by sin beta plus sin beta by cos alpha whole square. Greatest integer less than or equal to means box function. We have to find out the box of this value. We can take this given expression as sin alpha by cos beta, sin alpha by cos beta plus cos alpha by sin beta. Club first and third terms plus cos beta by sin alpha plus sin beta by cos alpha. Whole square is there. We can take square is last step. Then take the LCM. Sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta divided by cos beta sin alpha plus here it is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta divided by sin alpha cos alpha. Here cos beta sin beta. The numerator is cos alpha minus beta divided by cos beta sin beta. Here also cos alpha minus beta form sin alpha into cos alpha. Here numerator cos alpha minus beta is the common factor. Cos alpha minus beta we can take it outside into 1 by cos beta sin beta plus 1 by sin alpha into cos alpha. Multiply with 2 in the numerator and denominator like this. That is 2 into cos alpha minus beta into 1 by, this is sin 2 beta plus 1 by sin 2 alpha. Then 2 cos alpha minus beta into, take LCM, sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 beta divided by sin 2 alpha sin 2 beta. That is 2 cos alpha minus beta into sin C plus sin D form 2 sin C plus D by 2 alpha plus beta cos C minus D by 2 cos alpha minus beta divided by denominator sin 2 alpha sin 2 beta. Again multiply with 2 in numerator and denominator. That is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Cos alpha minus beta into cos alpha minus beta cos square alpha minus beta into sine alpha plus beta divided by 2 sin A sin B form. 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, that is cos A minus B. 2 alpha minus 2 into alpha minus beta minus cos 2 into alpha plus beta. Numerator is 8 cos square alpha minus beta into sin alpha plus beta divided by cos 2 alpha minus beta minus cos 2 into alpha plus beta. Okay. Now, look here. This is equal to 8 cos square alpha minus beta into sin alpha plus beta divided by cos 2a form, that is cos 2a. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square A formula. So, cos 2a form, here it is 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 sin square alpha plus beta. This is equal to 8 cos square alpha minus beta sin alpha plus beta divided by, expand this bracket, 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 1 plus 2 sin square alpha plus beta. That is 8 cos square alpha minus beta sin alpha plus beta divided by 2 cos square alpha minus beta plus 2 sin square alpha plus beta minus 2. 2 is common factor in the denominator that can be taken in outside. Cancel with 8. 4 cos square alpha minus beta sin alpha plus beta divided by cos square alpha minus beta plus sin square alpha plus beta minus 1. In the question, sin alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta, they are given. Just substitute 4 into 2 by 3 square into sin alpha plus beta 1 by 3 divided by cos square 2 by 3 square plus sin square 1 by 3 square minus 1. Simplify this, we'll get 4 by 3. 4 by 3. We have to find out box of minus 4 by 3, box function of minus 4 by 3 square. Box function of, that is box of 16 by 3. 16 by 9. Box of 16 by 9. That is 1 point. That is 1. 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Okay, it's a JEE advanced question. Thank you all.